Just a hockey show. I'm the Trev. It's too sweet. Anyway, game day, and it won a game yesterday. So why break a good thing, right? Hopefully they win. Anyway, Snowflake Day came early at Trev's house, and thanks to the awesome wife. So you can thank the wife essentially for producing today's video. Thanks to Trev's awesome wife, we have content. We also have a jersey unboxing, and I'm being very presumptuous thinking it's a jersey. I'm pretty certain it is. I have, in the words of Paul McCartney, I got a feeling. I think I know what it is, but I haven't looked till now, and I think I'm ready. Let's do it. So the reason I call it an unboxing is because, well, it's not really in a box, it's in a bag. So this is my 2021 International Care Satchel package. If you're familiar with Clone High, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Let's dive in. Again, this is thanks to Trev's awesome wife. It's blue. I think you know where I'm going with this. This bad boy. I finally got one. This is gorgeous. This is sexy. It's so much nicer in person. That stitching. I don't know how well you can see that. You can see the stitching, the embroidered aspect of it. Really pops down the tentacle. Sexy. I want to check one thing. Prime green. Ooh. Fancy schmancy. So much blue. So much blue. This is so much more nicer in person. Thanks, Trev's awesome wife. Only been waiting 23 years for this. Finally got one. This feels right. There's balance in the world now. Short and sweet. This is another one of Trev's hockey shows. Thank you for tuning in. Don't think I don't appreciate the gesture, especially if you're at this point here. It's a great thing for everybody. I mean, I don't know what I can say to thank you enough. What I can say is we're like one away from 100. So let's hope that one happens relatively quick. I honestly had my doubts we'd get to even 90 at this point, so we're at 99 now. I like that. I really do. So thank you to everybody who's jumping on board, and feel free to jump on as well. After you've hit that like button for being this far into the video, hit that subscribe button, that little red one that says subscribe all over it. Subscribe makes you feel good. Be that 100. Let's make that happen. All my socials in the description down below. Moving forward, as far as the Kraken's concerned, they are in my year-end videos, and there will be a video dedicated to them. So look out for that. But in the meantime, in between time, be looking for more videos from Trev. Later.